Today we're going to work on the E major scale, and I'm going to show you some ways that you can practice it with hands together and contrary motion. We're using the Muscle Builder book number 6, and we're on page 25. You can take a look here and see what the fingering is and which notes we're going to use for E major. Let's start the metronome and go 2 octaves with proper hand position using this beat. Rewind the video, or you can just practice along with me if you think that you're ready. When you are ready, I'm going to do the left hand starting finger 5. 1, 2, ready, go. Basically our warm-up, and the first thing we're going to do now is practice hands together in contrary motion. Contrary means opposite, so while one hand is going one direction, the other hand is going the other direction. It's actually the easiest. So here's what you can do in the air or on your fall board or on your plastic around your piano. You can practice with the fingering, and you can look at this page and see where you're going. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3, and then let's pretend that your thumbs are going under. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're just doing one octave. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cross over 3, 3, 2, 1. Now, if that doesn't make sense, we're going to go over to the piano and put it into action. Here's what it looks like on the piano. We'll start with our thumbs on E, both thumbs on E. 1, 2, 3. Sound extremely pleasing, but it is easy to play. Now we'll do it 2 octaves contrary motion with our metronome. 1, 2, ready, go. You ended up with both of your thumbs. And now the hardest trick of all is 2 octaves, hands together. So to accomplish that, we're going to go back and play right hand, left hand, and then we'll put it together. So here we go. 1, 2, right hand. Left hand. goofed up. So I'll start and stop in certain spots for you to check. Our finger threes are together. So far, so good. Now my right thumb goes under, but left two stays right there. Finger threes again, together. Thumb under, thumbs together. Watch real careful here. Two in the right hand, one in the left hand. Three together. Again, this is a tricky part. Alright, so you have maybe your own tricky parts, but those are mine. And here's what it looks like in tempo. 1, 2, ready, go. I hope that gave you some different ways to practice your E major scale.